Hello everyone, welcome to my PC Tips channel TV. Today I'm gonna show you how to open and document Microsoft Office Word 2016. So to start this program, you can go to Start, and in the box search here you can type Word 2016, and then it automatically appear in this box. Double clicks on it, and then it will appear from this screen. So from this screen you can start Word with your own document, and on the right side here you can start your document from the blank document and another template of the program here. So for myself, I start with blank document, so I want to create my own document by myself, so I go this one. So it will turn to this page, so you can type your own in this page. So I can create my so hello everyone, so welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to get more videos. Just an example. In this I can change the size bigger, and change fonts, colors, just an example. So this is how to start the program in Microsoft Word 2016. So thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video.